All right, we are at Devil's Tower National Monument. There it is. We've been out bombing around southeast Wyoming, the Black Hills of South Dakota, and now we made our way back into northeast Wyoming, and we're at Devil's Tower National Monument. Awesome place. We've been here before. We came back today, and we're going to be going up. The plan for today is to go up to a different location and hopefully get some photos of Devil's Tower at sunset. I've been here one time at sunset, but I was at the base of it and there wasn't much color that night. It was still really cool. I got some photos from that, but we're going to try and go at a different location and a little further back and see the tower at sunset. Meanwhile, right now we're also parked at the Prairie Dog Town, and we're going to try and get some pictures of the prairie dogs. So I know some of you don't think prairie dogs are cool. I don't know how that's possible because I think they're awesome, but we're here to get some pictures of them. If you don't like the prairie dogs, you can skip ahead to the sunset part. Hopefully we get a great sunset, but meanwhile, we're going to hang out and watch these little critters and hopefully get some photos of them. All right, so we're all set up at Devil's Tower and waiting for sunset. The sun is almost gone. It's just dropping below the horizon here. Not much of it left. So hopefully we'll get some color. We don't have much in the way of clouds this evening, but hopefully we're going to get some color for the tower. We'll see. Fingers crossed. Hoping for the best. We'll see in a few minutes. See if we get any color now.